Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
Start by opening Outlook to ensure notifications are enabled. In Outlook, go to File, then Options, then Mail. Scroll to Message Arrival and check Play a Sound. Next, open Control Panel on Windows 10 to access global sound settings. In Control Panel, choose Hardware and Sound, then click Sound. Prepare a WAV file you want to use. Use a 16-bit 44. 1 KHZ. WAV for best compatibility with Windows 10. Keep your custom sound short for clarity. With Control Panel Sound open, select the Sounds tab at the top. In Program Events, scroll to New Mail Notification or Mail Notification for Outlook. Click the event to highlight it, and then click Browse to select your custom WAV file. Navigate to the folder containing the WAV and select the file, then click Open. After selecting the file, click Apply, then OK to save the change. Finally, send a test email to yourself to confirm the new sound plays correctly. If you do not hear the new sound, first confirm Outlook settings again. In Outlook options under Mail, verify play a sound is still checked. If the sound still fails, restart Outlook, then restart Windows to clear any audio cache. Confirm your WAV file meets format requirements. Use 16-bit and 44. 1 KHZ sampling for reliable playback. Keep the audio length under 30 seconds to avoid clipping or truncation. If issues persist, try a different WAV file or update Windows audio drivers before retrying.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.